We're here at Thaba Trails, the venue for SA cross country champs, and just went around the track, and yeah, it looks like a fun course. And I'll quickly run you through the bike setup that I'll ride at the SA champs. So let's start off with the frame. I'm riding the PYGA Stage frame, and yeah, I just put some custom bling decals on. On the wheels, I have carbon Deed Propel wheels. Yeah, really stiff wheels. I can put the wheel where I want it, especially on this really rocky course. It's important to, yeah, get the wheel exactly where you need it. Yeah, carbon wheels, just better power transfer. Then drivetrain. I've got the SRAM Eagle on, yeah, the dub crank with Quarq power meter, and I'm running a 38 chainring on the front. Yeah, I've really gotten used to it, and yeah, I feel comfortable with the gearing ratio. So fork on the front, I've got the RockShox SID World Cup, and I run it with 2 air tokens inside. We've got 110mm at the back, fuel for cross country. I've got manual lockouts on, don't really use them on this track. Components wise, handlebar, seat post stem and pedals. I've got yeah, Ricci parts, and it's really reliable and lightweight. My stopping power comes from the SRAM Level Ultimate brakes with 160 rotors, front and rear. Gives me proper stopping power. So yeah, finally to the tires. I'm running the Schwalbe Thunder Burts. It's a really fast tire, and I've gotten used to the grip, around the corners, and I know where the limits are. So on this course I feel comfortable with them. And pressures that I run on this track, on the front I've got 19.5 psi, and on the rear 21 psi, and feel it's a good balance between grip and yeah, avoiding punctures.